so late.
Points for the first hill since we are down to our last 20 seconds.
Yan, so nakikita natin ngayon, Elunari is trying to catch up with ELT Althea. Nakita naman natin Elunari kanina sa live broadcast ng ating on-stage broadcast rather. And they were just overpowering yung enemy team nila kanina. But right now, they were able to catch up with ELT Althea. And nasa kalamangan na nga sila ngayon. No? So makikita natin yung firepower pa rin talaga.
Hey, sama. Hey.
That's right. They were able to prove themselves for the first games that we were able to cast. So Elunari KTLX is occupying hill number 2 and already gathering points. Tingnan natin if they are going to be able to hold it down. Are they going to be doing the same strategy that they did earlier, which is surrounding the perimeter, having a 3-man stack sa loob ng hill? But then again, of course, ELT Althea, we haven't seen how they actually did the game. So we will see this time because the points aren't really that far from each other. Tingnan natin kung paano ang laro ni ELT Althea.
39 to 28. Ayun nga, medyo dikit na yung laban natin.
Boy.
This is definitely a grand finals match. Nakikita natin
48-28. Oh my.
Medyo nabibihind sila going to the point. Eh, napipita sila pa isa-isa. Mukhang nag-audition. So moving to the next point, makikita natin yung advance or reposition na ginagawa dito ng Elunari KTLX. And mukhang another clash na dito sa second point, Sash.
Basically, what Elunari is doing right now is talaga sinasaid nila yung last few points sa last hill, and then we will see ano ba magiging sa side ba ni Elunari or ni Althea ang spawn points here. Tingnan natin. Again, Elunari, we got 69 versus 28. And again, this is not too far since we're
there are the commentators.
Not too far, but lumalaki. Going the distance yung kalamangan dito ng ating Elunari KTLX, and we are on to the 35-second mark, the target 250. And binabanaban pa rin dito ng Elunari, which is...
Oh, palo!
Panak Junde! As you see, grenades are flying, and basically, we're just waiting if it's gonna land on someone's head, and basically making it an advantage for the team of Elunari KTLX. So again, ELT Althea, gising tayo. What happened? ELT Althea! Come on!
Yeah, mukhang babago naman. Hindi pa naman tapos to kasi 96 to 33 yung ating score. And ELT Althea, they are doing their best naman mga catch-up dito sa kalamangan na nagawa. 3 digits na nga ito.
Cybertron Games.
KTLX, while Althea, nasa 36 points pa rin.
Ayan, Messi, you're doing a good job. Basically, guarding this specific hill, medyo nakahabol sila gamay, and I think everyone is trying to do their job. Ang nakikita ko lang kasi dito is the spawn points is not actually on their side kasi ang layo ng spawn points sila. So, let's see if that's gonna be in favor of Althea or Elunari KTLX.
And as we speak, no, nakikita na natin yung boost up na yung points nga ng ELT Althea. 61 to 100, nakakahabol na sila dito. And this is definitely the grand finals match that we want to watch or we want to witness right now.
That's right. So, madugong naman ito, Dave. So, we're gonna be expecting a lot since this is gonna be a best of 5 for the grand finals.
Mahaba-habang bakbakan pa to. Talagang balagbag kung balagbag. Elunari versus ELT Althea. And sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, sa SM Lano Premier, you are free. You are welcome to watch and witness the grand finals of Call of Duty Mobile.
That's right. Balik tayo sa Hill 1. So, ang magiging magandang strategy is to have people inside the hill itself to guard it, and then have people in the perimeters, which is on the second floor. Kailangan may bantay dyan kasi very exposed kayo sa hill na to, because everyone can enter at any points since nasa gitna kayo siya.
So 78 to 112. Konti lang na nagdaan sa points ng Elunari on the side of ELT Althea naman. Umahabol na talaga sila to the 3-digit points. And makikita naman natin, no, talaga nag-aagawan sila sa next point. And bumabawi na talaga yung ELT Althea. They were picking up kills here and there. Pero nakapag-pick off rin ng trade-off itong ating Elunari KTLX.
And as you see, parang si Elunari sinasaid nila yung last few seconds with the last hill. Pero some of the members of ELT Althea, I think this is another strategy that they're doing. Yung iba, we have Messillo already on the next hill, which is also a good thing if they do that kasi pwede na sila mag-gather ng points while Elunari is actually still on the last hill.
So 130 and going the distance na naman ang alamaan dito ng ating Elunari KTLX while ELT Althea. Medyo tatlong sunod-sunod na kills on their side doon and that's not going to be good since going the distance naman ito ang Elunari KTLX while Althea, they're trying to regroup here and punish sila dito ng KTLX.
And they're bringing out the big guns. We're seeing Sparrows, and I think I saw Claw or Maniba. I mean, one of the things that I do not recommend for me, at least for me as a Golden player, is grabe, if you are gonna be using the Claw or the Equalizer, kung hindi ka kabalo talaga, it's gonna be hard for you. So, anyway, moving on to the next hill, we are still at a very big point difference. Elunari KTLX at 162 and ELT at 91.
Medyo malayo na ulit yung kaalamangan ng Elunari dito. While ELT Althea, they are struggling to get their composure back. Kasi nga, kanina okay na eh. Nakakahabol na sila, but looking at this situation right now, kung nasaan itong ating ELT Althea, napipitas-pitas pa rin kasi sila eh. And yun yung mahirap doon. Once you, hindi kayo regroup, and talagang easily kill. Ayun na, Elunari
163-101.
Naglalabasan yan.
Oh boy.
Naman ng grenades, and I think this is Elunari KTLX. This is what I would notice on how they would play the game. As in talagang they would invest in tacticals and basically
I do play Call of Duty Mobile. I wouldn't say I'm the best at it, but I'm quite good at it.
And naka 3 digits na nga itong ating ELT Althea. So that's a good sign on the side of their team. While Elunari KTLX naman going to the 200 mark na rin dito. While ELT Meseo picking up those 2 immediate kills doon in front of Elunari. I think that's good news. They will be happy with that one.
So now we're moving on to our next kill. Sino kaya ang mauuna? Is it gonna be ELT Althea or Elunari KTLX? Which is leading pa rin si Elunari KTLX. So, I mean, grabe din. Wala na akong masabi kay, I think this is the same gameplay that they did earlier. Basically, just securing and making sure that people are within the perimeter para walang makapasok.
Yes, so ELT Neil picking up 3 consecutive kills doon against. That's good news on the side of ELT Althea. Elunari KTLX naman, sila yung napipitas-pitas dito surprisingly. Althea are just making advantage of
A lot of people are watching.
the kills that they're getting as of the moment.
Pero grabe to si Elunari, si Tarks. He is actually one with the biggest kills of our current game. So possibly a
damn.
MVP later. So,
God damn! God damn! Oh!
lalabas na yung mga
Seconds na to. So last 10 seconds on the clock and 122-209. Mamalayo pa rin yung distance dito, Sash. And 3, 2, and 1.
Kaya balikan tayo sa first hill. Do you think this is gonna be the deciding hill wherein Elunari KTLX is gonna take the win? Or do you think this is gonna be ELT Althea's chance? This is gonna be a very
Elunari KTLX is now ahead by 100 points.
Strategy talaga dito is
God damn.
defense.
It's not over till it's over, but 227 on the side of Elunari. Malapit na talaga sila. While ELT Althea, they are still getting grounded dito. Makikita naman natin sa ating kill feed, no? Na talagang pinapakpak sila dito ni Tarks. And as you have mentioned nga kanina, Tarks with a total of 55 kills. Grabe naman tong batang to.
Uh-oh.
Bata pa.
Oh boy.
Ay, ewan ko lang.
9 more. Oh my goodness! There it is! There it is! And come on.
Come
on.
So it seems like we still have 2 points. Is it gonna be the deciding
more.
hill?
Boom! Palo!
The deciding hill. Congratulations, Elunari KTLX, for winning our first game.
Game number 1 goes to Elunari KTLX. And again, this is
70.
of 5.
Wow.
It's already for the Call of
That
Duty
is-
Mobile. Alright.
That's gonna be
Yeah, again, we need to
difficult.
do things sa ating mga sponsors.
Wow.
Cyberzone
58 kills though.
presented by PC.
God damn.
Powered